Hello guys, welcome back. Today I just want us to learn on how to marinate beef. Here is beef for choma. What I do, my first step, I just start by breaking like this on both sides. Do it on both sides. This also helps with tenderizing. Then after that, I sprinkle salt. So that I take a bowl with me. Then I add all the dry ingredients. This is garlic powder. I'll add them in the description box. Garlic powder. We have ginger. We have black pepper. We have turmeric. After I've added all the dry ingredients, I have here my baking soda for tenderizing. You add the baking soda. After adding the baking soda, now we are going to other ingredients, and I have a secret spice here. Have you ever tried choma sauce? Choma sauce. We have choma sauce here. It's nice. Okay, after that, then I add just cooking oil. I usually use fresh fry because I love the lid, the way you can pour something with it. Then here we add the soy sauce. After adding soy sauce, you mix them well. You stir. You can see? You stir so well. And never forget to put the baking soda. It helps with tenderizing the beef. After that, you can add a bit of salt here too. And there are those who do sugar. For me, I don't use sugar on it. Rather than I use whatever. I use You can just put a bit of it. Have you ever tried Coke for tenderizing and marinating your beef? Okay, try it and give me a feedback. And then finally, we have here the choma sauce. After we've stirred everything, you can see it's boiling. These bubbles coming out because of the coke. You dip your beef inside here. You dip it and turn it well. After dipping, you can see, make it so, yeah, like that. You can see nicely. Then finally, you want to add this one. Now, when it's like that, is when you add your choma sauce all over it. You add your choma sauce. It smells nice. I can't wait. And then put it into whatever. You can refrigerate for 3 hours or overnight. You won't be left out. When I'm cooking my choma, you can either deep fry it. It smells so nice. So nice. This color it. Try this choma sauce. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, and share. Bye for now.